Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am recreating a Megan Fox look just from one of her pictures. And I will add that picture in the video, or I will leave a link to that picture down below in the description box. So if you would like to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching.
Okay guys, so to start off this look, I already primed my face and I already put foundation on. So now I'm just going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in medium. Then I'm blending it out with my damp beauty blender. So I was on the internet a couple days ago before I filmed this video, and I was looking at makeup and I came across a Megan Fox picture, and she just looked so beautiful, and I just felt really inspired to do that look. And I checked on YouTube to see when's the last time anyone actually filmed a Megan Fox tutorial, and it's been about 2 years or longer, so I thought, why not? So to contour my face, I am using the Graftobian foundation palette, and I'm using the second shade in the third row. And to blend all that out, I'm actually using a Morphe M436, and this is my favorite brush to blend out cream contour. So I'm going to also contour my jawline, just because in this look she has a really defined jawline, and her jawline is a little bit more square, like more square than mine, and as to mine is just a little more pointier. So now I'm taking a flat concealer brush and I'm going to contour the sides of my nose. So I haven't done an inspired makeup look, I don't think, ever on my channel, but I don't know, I just think Megan Fox is really beautiful, and she's naturally beautiful. So yeah, I definitely thought, why not? And I did ask a lot of you, and a lot of you guys said yes, that you would like to see a tutorial, so I hope that you guys like it. So now I'm just blending out everything that I put on to make sure that it's all actually really blended and really nice. So now I'm going in with my Anastasia pomade in ebony, and I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. And my eyebrow brush number is, I think, 14 or 15. You would think I would know by now, but I really don't. And I've been using this brush for about a year or two, but I will definitely leave that in the description box below. This is my favorite eyebrow brush, and it's by Anastasia. So as you guys can tell, my eyebrows are fairly light, so I can really just shape them and manipulate them the way that I want to. So my eyebrows always come out different. I feel like every single time I do them, it's usually always slightly different, or it's like a major difference. But I mean, I guess that's sometimes a good thing. I mean, you can just kind of shape your brows however you want, but I always tend to try to stay with the same shape. So now I'm just going to brush them with a spoolie. Then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in deep brown, and I'm going to go over my eyebrows, and it just helps separate the brow hairs and just makes them look more natural, and it sets them in place. And also it adds a little bit of color, because we all know Megan Fox has black hair, very, very dark. Then I'm going to be putting some mercier setting powder underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to go in with eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure palette, and I'm going in with the color Onyx, or Onyx, I hope I'm saying that right. It's the black shade in the palette, and with a very light hand, I'm just putting it on the outer corner of my eye, because in this look, or the look that she has, you can tell she's wearing black eyeshadow, but it's very, very light. It's very faint. Then I'm taking the gold shade Coin with a flat concealer brush, and I'm applying that just on the center of my eyelid. And then I'm blending it out with my fingers, because she has like a goldish tint in this eye look, and it's very like subtle. So like the whole eye look is very, very subtle. So I'm really just going to be blending all of this in, like the black, the gold, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Pearl, and I'm applying that in the inner corner of my eye. Just because in this look as well, the inner corner of her eyes seem to be highlighted, or just, you could tell it's like a light shadow. So now I'm dusting off the excess powder. Then I'm going in with just a big fluffy brush, and I'm blending all of that out. And then for eyeliner, I'm using the L'Oreal Super Slim. And I'm taking that from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner, but I'm not going to do a winged liner, because in this look she doesn't have a wing liner. Now after that's applied, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. And in this look as well, she does have very full, long, thick lashes, so I am going to add falsies. And I'm going to be using my favorite, which I have mentioned in any video that I've done where I wore fake lashes. These are the only ones I use, and they are the Salon Perfect in Style 614. And I always recommend these to people, because it comes with 5 pairs and they're probably like $8-9 at the most, and they're amazing. And when you apply mascara on them, they don't get ruined. They actually look even prettier, so you can reuse them. They're like reusable. So every time you apply false lashes, you want to apply it as close to your lash line as possible. What I do is I get it as close as I can to my lash line, and then once I kind of get it stuck on there, I push inward. I will like grab the lash and push it into my lash line, and that just helps it stay. So you can see that this look is very subtle. It's nothing crazy, it's nothing too much, and it's really not hard to do. It's very simple. So now I'm using the same mascara and I'm going over my eyelashes again, just to help separate those lashes and make them look a little bit thicker. And then for eyeliner, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Silk. This is a really, really good, affordable black eyeliner. Then I'm applying the mascara on my bottom lashes. Then I'm taking that same black shade from the palette that I used earlier, and I am taking a pointed Morphe brush and I am applying that black shade on my bottom lash line. I'm using the Morphe M560 for the bottom lash line. Then for lip liner, I'm going in with the Clinique Quick Liner and I'm using it in Intense Cosmo. Then for lips, I am using Clinique Pop Splash in Pinot Pop. So what I'm going to do is just apply some on my bottom lip, and then I'm going to use my finger and blend it out. So this ended up being just a little too pink for me and for this look, so I am going to wipe it off. Then I'm going back in with the same lip gloss. And I am taking a MAC lipstick and I am using Honey Love. Now I'm going back in to line my lips again, and I'm using MAC Stripdown, and this is just to help diffuse the pink a little bit so it's not so pink. And then I'm going to fill it in a little bit. Every time I try to like overline my lips, and I usually do, but I try to do it a little bit more in this video in particular just because Megan Fox has very big lips. I just think it looks so funny because my lips are very uneven. I don't know if you guys noticed, but like they're really uneven, and it just drives me nuts sometimes because you don't really notice it when you're doing your makeup or when you're looking in the mirror, at least for me personally, but then I'll do a video and then I'm like, whoa, like my lips look crazy. Like one side looks bigger than the other. Oh gosh, it's funny. Now I am taking NARS blush in Ghoul. Or Golu. I've had this blush for a long time and I still don't know how to pronounce the name, but I always tell you guys all my products in the description box, so I'll definitely leave that down there. Then I'm going in with that light pearl shade and the palette, and I'm just highlighting my face with it because she does look very glowy in this look. Then I'm taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm using my e.l.f. powder brush just to go over the cream contour. And the look is complete. Don't mind my crazy hair. Now just to set my face, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So this is it. It's very subtle. It's very pretty.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. So this is the final look. It's pretty simple. Megan Fox, she's so beautiful, and she's so naturally beautiful. So it was extremely hard to do because obviously I don't look like her. I don't have her lips, and her eyes are much smaller than mine. And usually when I do eyeliner, I like to wing it because I feel like it just looks better on me versus no wing. And I feel like wearing eyeliner, for me personally, on the bottom lash line, I feel like it makes my eyes look big. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I don't know. But I tried my best to recreate that look. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.